Hi, baby.
Hi, honey.
Feeling sick?
I am.
Yeah. Look at the old man over there. You see him? Dad, you're on video, man. Look, say hi.
You know, Boca Negra. You know what happened to Boca Negra, man?
Dad, you gonna say hi to the world, man? I'm gonna
Yes,
upload
he
this,
did.
man.
But you know what happened to Boca,
What happened to
man,
Boca
at the
Negra?
end?
What happened to Boca Negra?
Somebody took a bogey, fill it up with bricks, and drop it from the roof right on top of his head.
Jeez.
Man.
Some kind of friends did he have? That's some violent
That
friends.
was the end of Boca Negra.
Man, now you know where he got my sense of humor from.
My God.
Dad, but did you know him? He was your cousin, right?
No, he wasn't real. Yeah, this is a true story, man.
Really?
Wow.
Oh, man.
Man,
There you go with Boca Negra again.
hey, look, it's Jay.
You just recorded that what I said about Boca Negra?
Yeah, man.
About dropping a bucket full of bricks right on top of his head, man.
Yeah, man. That's like your favorite story. So,
You didn't say anymore, you got 3 minutes to disappear.
Wow. That's all I can say.
what's wrong, baby?
Nothing.
Man, in a minute. Let's stop.